Hello, I'm Legend, and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. If it's your first time, thank you for joining us, and we really appreciate it. And
welcome.
Welcome, yeah.
If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl right here and right here. We really do appreciate it. Either way,
if you're not subscribed, go ahead and
press that little button right there on the screen and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. Go ahead and claim your leaf on this tree. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you.
Also, click the notification bell right next to the subscribe, and whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get it.
How about that? Well, our video on today, we will be unbagging
the Yes Oh Yes bag.
Okay, and for those of you who are not familiar with Yes Oh Yes, it's been bomb so far. I think I've only experienced 1 month that I really didn't like, but nonetheless, Yes Oh Yes is $14.99 per month. And it comes with anywhere from 3 to 7 full-size products, okay? And I know that's a big jump, but there's a reason behind it. And you do, however, pay shipping on this bag, okay? And that is an additional $3.99 per month. But it has been worth it, I promise you. It has been worth it. So much so, check out a previous video. I'll leave a link above. We're doing a giveaway of an entire bag. How about that? Okay, so this is the August Yes
Oh Yes box.
All right, let's check it out. What's this month's description card say?
Time to travel. No, I want to travel. Okay, so this says August 2019. The moment you realize that you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes, girl. Receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months upon notifying us by email. Your monthly savings 85.7% off retail. Retail value equals $95.
Nice. Okay, so we're jumping right on into the products. And what do we have first?
This is a eyebrow brush.
Very good. Okay.
This is the Aesthetica brow brush.
Okay. And is that a spoolie end? Yes, it is. Nice. I love these kind of brushes when I don't have to go and search for a spoolie. Everything is in one spot. Okay, so, and this is the B13 brush. All right, item number 1. Item number 2 is...
The name of this is Take Me to Los Angeles. And I like the cover very much.
Yeah, that's nice packaging. Oh,
the shades on the inside.
Okay, do we want to do swatches today? I must admit, I agree with you, Legend. I like these shades.
My favorite one is Suit and Tie.
Suit and Tie?
Okay, so Limo Service, Suit and Tie, and Tinseltown.
Okay.
This one here is Beach Boardwalk. This one is Red Carpet, the one over there. And that one is Award Season. This one
that's
is
pretty.
Here.
That is
Top row here. Here. Incoming Flight. In the middle has a Golden State of Mind. And then this one over here is La La Land.
Okay.
That's my favorite name.
Alright, item number 3.
This is a Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. Apply liquid cream cosmetics with no waste. Hassle-free cleanup. And ooh.
All right, I'm really not a big fan of that. I have one of those, and I just don't use it.
Is it open? So I can see what it feels
Yeah, I'm giving it a show to you.
Oh, yes. Man, this is what I thought it was going to feel like.
What did you think it would feel like?
Softer.
You thought it would be softer?
Okay, so this is the one in the pack, and then this is the one that we already have open. Honestly, this it looks very satisfying to touch and play with. Honestly, it is.
Okay, so you just like playing with it. You don't know if you're gonna like using it.
I don't know.
But it says you can use it.
Oh, my hair came in.
You can use it to apply liquids or creams
Oh, good.
with no waste. So that's always a good thing because if you're using, all right, let me find okay. I squeeze just the smallest amount of foundation on my hand. Go ahead. Rub it in. Rub it in. Okay, let me see. Alright, so my sidekick over here is rubbing it. Well, she was rubbing it in. So, yes, I kind of took over. Alright, so the coverage is amazing. You know, it's fantastic to use, and you don't waste a lot of product. So that's not bad, right? See? What you think?
I still like it.
Okay, well, we'll see what happens. You know, if she really starts to like it, then
Let's hide this.
we might have to get one and put it in a giveaway. This says the latest in innovative beauty tools, the Silicone Pro Blender. It gives cleaning directions and the way to get the best results.
Too clean?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you just read?
Yes. Okay. So that is item number 3. And moving right along to the next product.
This is a Maribel Eye. I have no idea what this is.
Yeah. Okay. What does it say?
Eyeshadow primer base.
Yes, it's a primer base. Beautiful
God.
packaging.
I like it so much. It's okay. When she uses all of it, I'm taking it from her. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I'm going to take it from her.
Okay, do me a favor. Open. Well, she was opening it anyway. I just want to see if it's clear. Legend, can you put just a little bit of it on your hand? I just want to see. Okay, it does come off as well.
Pasty.
Okay. No, that's nice. Okay. Huh. No trace of it at all. Do you know what primers do?
Nope, I have no idea.
Okay, let's read what the box says.
Maximizes the intensity of eyeshadow. Creamy eye primer sweeps onto lids for a smooth base to increase the staying power of pigments and prevents creasing.
Okay. Beautiful packaging, and I'm loving those claims that are there too. So we're going to check that out. That is item number 4. And, okay, I already know. The last item.
Zatic.
Good job.
Oh, yeah. Zatic Relieve Eye Serum for all skin types, pomegranate and ivory. Antioxidant cocktail for firmness.
Okay. Alright, let's see what it is. Open up. Okay. Is it glass or plastic?
It's glass.
Okay, you can show them the product.
This is a frosty glass.
That's nice.
So this is what the top looks like.
Is that a pump?
Yeah, it's a pump. Oh,
okay.
So I pulled off this part and I thought
I'm keeping it on there. I'm gonna show them what you did. Let's see what this looks like on your skin.
But it's for your eyes, right?
You want to actually put it on your eyes? Sure. Okay. Now, when you put anything around your eyes, you always use your ring finger because you don't press as much or as hard, and that will not give you any excess wrinkles. Okay?
Under my eyes?
Yes. Finger to finger. Okay, now dab it underneath your eyes like this.
This?
I'm gonna put it all the way around. Did you put it on good? Tap it in like I show you to do. How's it feel?
Good.
You do know you look like a goofball in the camera, right? Does it smell to you?
It doesn't smell like the good fruit though.
It doesn't? Okay.
Let's use this.
Okay.
Oh,
You know what? You could actually do that if you wanted to. Yes. All right. So we just need to make sure that it's always clean. You're not putting foundation underneath your eyes when you're supposed to just be putting serum on.
I switched this way.
Okay. Good stuff. Okay. That was good. All right.
I'm so smart.
Yes, you are. All right. Now, these are the contents of our August.
Yes. Oh, yes, box.
Okay. Now, if you like what you've seen in this video, go ahead and
Subscribe.
give
like,
it a thumbs up.
and comment.
Okay. We really would appreciate it. We just want to know what your thoughts are, what you feel about the products that we've shown, if this is a bag that you would choose to subscribe to. I think this is a pretty nice deal. The manufacturer suggested retail price for the products that we've shown today, $95. However, we paid,
I don't know how much you paid for this.
we paid less than $20 for this bag. So, Legend, what's your favorite product this month? The Pro Blender. Okay, all right. I think this might be mine.
Yeah, that's.
I think so. But I don't know for sure. Right now, I'm saying this may very well be my favorite. This one, along with this palette that Legend showed you, even though she didn't tell you, it was cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and it's vegan-friendly. Okay?
What does makeup have to do with being a vegan?
Well, that means there's no animal products in it. That's what it means. Okay.
Vegans are annoying.
What? Oh my God.
Y'all just wait till she uses a palette. She's gonna switch. That's gonna be her favorite. Just wait.
We'll see. All right. Well, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be
a Seasoned Beauties.
Until next time.